Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I have purchased AirTags to put in my car. It's very important nowadays because of high number of auto thefts here in Canada. So I'm going to show you how to configure this. So I have taken this app purchase from Amazon, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm removing this protective plastic, because by the time this is here you cannot use it. Now many recommend that you do, the moment you take it off you hear a slight noise. Many recommend that you also remove the speaker. So I'm not removing the speaker in this video, but I'll make a separate video about it, how to remove the speaker. And that's a good thing. If you remove the speaker, then even if somebody tracks a tag in your car, it will not be an easy task for them to find it out. But if it has got a speaker and they can continuously send the beep noise, that's gonna make it easier for them to find and throw it out. Okay, so the next we are gonna do is gonna use an iPhone. So here comes my iPhone, and I just kept the AirTag near to it, and automatically it has been detected. So now I'm gonna click on connect. I'm gonna name it, like you can it's always good to put custom name. Okay, I should get a name like someone name, so I'll give it name like Ramesh. Okay, a simple name, Ramesh. Continue. Emoji. I'll just select it, a camera. So it is now connecting. Okay, now it is connected. I can view in my find my app, but I'll just click on done. So it's very easy, and you can go and find my app and you can share it with others too. So thanks for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.